What's up, guys? Back in another video today, and we are going to be making some fried rice. And let's get started here. We're going to use some... Wait, first we got to roll up my sleeves and wash my hands. First step for cooking. Okay. We're going to turn the stove to about mid-heat, medium. And we're going to be adding some leftover rice. If you add rice that you had just recently made, it gets a little wet and sticky. Is what I have here. Then, I actually shouldn't have put in the rice first. I'm going to put some veggie oil. You don't have to do anything special, but you can if you'd like. You could do some canola oil, or be super fancy and go like avocado oil. And that's if you want to. But all you really need is vegetable oil. And just gonna let that heat up real quick. But right now we're gonna cut up this. It's just a jalapeno. I like a little bit of spice in mine. You can do any vegetables you'd like to do, but I'm doing a jalapeno for a little bit of that kick. And then you can do like some parsley too if you'd like, but I'm just going to be adding powders and just the jalapeno. You want to get the jalapeno really small so it's not too spicy when you have it, just because jalapenos actually do have a flavor that tastes good, not just a spice, but it's like a nice flavor that they have on it. You might actually want to turn your stove up a little higher for the first part of it so it cooks quicker. Then, once you then you can add garlic powder. Garlic powder makes it just taste really good. Then I'm doing soy sauce, Pearl Bridges soy sauce. I suggest using a light soy sauce because dark soy sauces just like make it too potent. You add a little bit of soy sauce. Don't do too much or it'll make your item too... Oh wait, it'll make your item too potent, and we don't really like potent that much. And we're gonna add powdered parsley, or not so much powdered, but chopped up into bits. And you can do parsley fresh from your garden if you like, though. And then, hopefully I can find it. And add some ground thyme. Ground thyme tastes good in it as well. And then we're gonna do some MSG. Oh, this one's the non-open one. We're gonna add some MSG. If you guys don't know, it's a salt. It's like a fancy salt, I think. And it's like an Italian salt or a Chinese salt, yeah. And it's kind of like the king of flavor, you know? Oh yeah, shout out to Uncle Roger though, because he reviews a ton of egg fried rice videos and fried rice videos. So yeah, MSG is super good in your rice. And then you just let it set for a little. I'm gonna get a bowl and then I'll show you what it looks like. I always second wash my dishes, so we're just using that bowl. Sorry you couldn't see that, but I actually did toss that. And then you add it in. When you're making this stuff, you have to take your time. Don't act like you're gonna die if you go too slow. And, oh yeah, woks are the best for cooking in fried rice because you get the best throw up in the end. You get the best throw, and because they're just like the perfect frying pans. They're super nice to use. And this is what the bowl of stuff looks like. And so we're good. Click here to see my newest video, and click here to see my first cooking video. See you in the next one. Peace out.